Nkosi Yesu, ndiphuthume. My weapons have fallen. The devil has robbed me. Xa sisondeza lo msombuluko, behold, I'm standing, I'm folding my hands. Lord Jesus, quickly save me. Quickly save me. Ekuseni, bantwana bendlu kuthandaza, uthi makayisondeza udlokweni kwesinye ziyitanza zakhe, uthi wena mhlobo wamaphatha, yiza ngoku undikhole. You the friend of criminals. God is a friend of criminals. Kwabanye abantu, if you are jailed by people, he's a friend of yours. If you are convicted by circumstances, you're a friend of God. Mayehla kwanjengalo kudala, Nkosi Yesu ndiphuthume, as you did with the ancient one on the cross. Lord Jesus, quickly save me. Uthi, stanza 5, if you forsake me, I will split like water. IsiXhosa ithi xa ndiyekelelwa nguwe ndophalala njengamanzi. If you singena kule Monday, if you forsake me, Lord, if you forsake me, if it happens that you forsake me, Lord, ndophalala njengamanzi. I'll be split like water. Oh, evil will kill me. Evil will kill me. Lord Jesus, quickly save me. 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 Asingena zundithwale nakoloku ngezongalo zobubele.